Ever thought about how far humanity can reach into the outer space? And what a role does the SpaceX plays in it? Today, that curiosity is embodied by organizations like SpaceX, the trailblazer of modern space exploration. With a vision as boundless as the universe itself, SpaceX is proving what we believe is possible. Indeed, SpaceX has been at the forefront of space exploration, pushing boundaries like never before. SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, has achieved remarkable milestones since its inception. Let's turn back the pages of history to 2002. In that year, a new player entered the aerospace industry, SpaceX, with a vision to revolutionize space technology and make space exploration accessible to all. Little did we know then the kind of profound impact this company would have on our perception of space travel. One of the first significant achievements of SpaceX came 6 years later, in 2008. Falcon 1, the first privately funded liquid propellant rocket, successfully reached orbit. This was a game-changer. A private company had done what only government agencies had achieved before. Then, in 2012, SpaceX went on to make history once again. Dragon, a spacecraft developed by the company, docked with the International Space Station. This was an unprecedented feat for a private company, highlighting SpaceX's capabilities and the immense potential of commercial space travel. Fast forward to 2015, SpaceX achieved yet another milestone. Falcon 9, another powerful rocket in SpaceX's arsenal, demonstrated the first vertical takeoff and vertical propulsive landing for an orbital rocket. This was a significant step toward reusable rockets, marking a new era in space travel, where rockets are no longer single-use, but can be flown multiple times, drastically reducing the cost of space exploration. In 2018, SpaceX launched Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world by a factor of 2, capable of carrying large payloads to orbit. This launch was made even more memorable by the deployment of Starman, a mannequin dressed in a SpaceX spacesuit, seated in a Tesla Roadster, and sent on a journey through space. 2 years later, in 2020, SpaceX launched its first crewed mission, Crew Dragon Demo 2, sending NASA astronauts to the International Space Station. This marked a new chapter in human spaceflight, making SpaceX the first private company to send humans into orbit. These milestones are not just SpaceX's achievements, but humanity's leap towards understanding the cosmos. And as we look ahead, we can't help but wonder, what's next for SpaceX? The answer, as it turns out, is even more exciting than the journey so far. Stay tuned as we delve into the future of SpaceX in our next segment. SpaceX continues to reach for the stars, quite literally, with ambitious plans for the future. At the heart of these aspirations is the development of Starship, a next-generation spacecraft. This isn't just another rocket, it's a fully reusable stainless steel vehicle designed to carry over 100 people to our celestial neighbors and beyond. But SpaceX isn't stopping at the moon. The company has set its sights on Mars, with the intention of sending humans to the Red Planet within this decade. It's a bold endeavor, one that could forever change the course of human history. Just imagine a future where we are no longer confined to one planet, but have become a multiplanetary species. And even as SpaceX aims to traverse the cosmos, it's also looking to revolutionize life back on Earth. The company's Starlink project is working to create a satellite network that provides internet connectivity across the globe. This isn't just about faster downloads or smoother streaming. It's about bridging the digital divide, bringing opportunities for education, business and innovation to areas where they've previously been out of reach. In every venture, SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, turning science fiction into science fact. With its innovative spirit and audacious goals, SpaceX is not just shaping the future of space exploration, but also of humanity's role in the cosmos. SpaceX's journey from a dream to a leading force in space exploration is truly inspiring. It's a tale of tenacity, of reaching for the stars, quite literally. The milestones marked by SpaceX have revolutionized our approach to space travel, taking us leaps and bounds ahead. As we ponder the future, SpaceX's ambitious plans promise to deepen our understanding of this vast universe. As we continue to gaze at the stars, SpaceX is making those stars a little closer, a little more attainable, one launch at a time.